Hi there, good morning. Back in Pensacola. A little chilly, but nice day, calm winds. Fishing with my friend and neighbor Bob. Going for the first time with a new name, Gulf of America. Hopefully we'll have a good luck fishing today. So we'll see. Alright, fish on. Oh, Cobera or big mangrove? Let me get the net. Can you lift it? Wow, that is a giant mangrove snapper. Bob, awesome. Squid? Okay, lift. Raise it up. Right. Hold it. But the hook. Wow, look at that nice mangrove. Yeah. Awesome. Alright, fish on. What are you? Bigger fish, our target species. There you go. Beautiful triggerfish. Let you go. It's probably only 13 inches. 15 inches is the size limit. Alright, we'll let you go. Alright, Bob is on. Alright. We have, it doesn't look like a crappie, it looks like a big one. It's coming up. Ooh. No, it's not a red snapper. What's that? Oh, it's a keeper. You wanna hit it? Red grouper. Red grouper. Okay, that's a big one. Lift it up, and that's a nice one. Nice red grouper. Woo. Okay, let's measure it. Hey, nice lane snapper. Wow, that's a nice lane snapper. Eat the boat deep, bro. Yeah, that is the type of thing. When the wind picks up, look at that lane. Nice. Beauty. That's a scamp grouper.
Small, but it still works.
All right, fish on. All right, let's see what we have here. Ooh, grouper, red grouper. Bob, red grouper.
Oh, nice.
I knew it. Red grouper will be the next one.
That's awesome.
Wow, beauty.
It is nice.
Red grouper, beautiful red grouper. But it has to be 20 inches.
Yeah.
So we have to let it go. Let it grow beautiful. On. Bob has something.
Trigger.
See the table? It's small again. Boy, this fight's so good. Bigger fish. It might be a caper, Bob. Fish on. Stay on it, baby. Stay on it. A big red snapper. The keeper, Bob. Big red snapper, not in season, so we're gonna let this guy swim back. Yes,
that.
All right, nice for no, we're good. Nice for a million. Ooh. Yeah, here this time. Nice vermilion snapper. Beautiful. Good eating fish. Another grouper species. It's a decent size. It's a good size lizard fish. Wow. Look at that baby. Yeah. Relax, buddy. I'll let you go.
Maybe I could throw one too.
What?
Yeah, I just throw one. Not as big as yours.
All right, that's a big sea robin. Wow, look at that giant sea robin. Look at that, ready to fly. Exotic fish. It's a beauty.
My dad's eating those.
Really?
Yeah.
Do they taste good?
No.
Are they bony?
I don't think so.
It's the biggest sea robin I've caught. Alright. So you ate the big one like this? Or bigger than this?
Oh, bigger than that. Yeah, you gotta watch their back. I found out the hard way.
Yeah, they have those spines everywhere. Alright, another species. This is a nice aquarium fish. Look at that thing. Nice bluish, gray bluish. Beautiful. Wow. Look at that spines in there. Look at the spikes, huh? I'm gonna let you go.
Yeah, you know what's that?
Yeah, I don't know what the name of this thing. This is an aquarium. So this is so beautiful. Alright, went down. Bob had a Grace B grouper.
Nice.
Awesome. Your
First one.
First one.
First one.
Alright. Great fishing with Bob in the new name Gulf of America. We got a grouper family Grand Slam. Black grouper, red grouper, scamp, Grace B grouper. We got a 4 keeper Grace B grouper. Nice vermilion. Nice lane snapper. A nice mangrove snapper. So we have something for dinner tonight.
Yes, we do.
So we'll head home.
Right.
All right.
Let's do it.